Hey Tiara, after asking educators what topics they want to see in our content, we received so many YouTube comments asking questions about how to use Dino in specific use cases in different environments. I can't help but think there are probably so many more people out there with the same questions and no answers. We need to get these questions answered.
Great idea, Maggie. Let's get those questions answered right here on the Dyknow YouTube channel with a new Dyknow product series called the Dyknow Digest.
I love it. Each week, we could bring a YouTube comment with a question or a topic that a customer has submitted, and we can answer it right here. It'll be like a weekly Dino product newsletter in video form that customers can learn from.
Sounds great. We'll release one new episode every single Monday and accompany each episode with a written article answering the question as well so that users can get it in two different forms. We'll put the weekly entries directly in the Dyknow app, and customers can also subscribe on our website to get each entry straight to their inbox every week and learn new ways to use Dyknow in their classrooms.
I think Dino users are going to love it. We'll need to thank each person for submitting a topic. So, why don't we send everyone whose topic we use in an episode a $10 gift card along with some Dino swag?
Customers love Dyknow swag. That's a great idea. So customers can submit a new question right here on the launch episode or by commenting on any episode in the future, and we'll get them entered into that Dyknow swag.
I can't wait to see what other questions people have, but I think I already know what our first topic will be.
What's our first topic?
I think we should do how to use Dino to engage students remotely.
I love it. We've heard so much about student engagement recently, and I think tying that to Dyknow would be perfect. We'll drop that episode next Monday, and we can't forget to remind everyone to subscribe to our YouTube channel so they'll get notified when a new episode drops, and Dyknow customers can get the episodes right to their inbox by subscribing on our website. I can't wait for all of our Dyknow users to get in on the Dyknow Digest.